That's a cool. Who said that? Hey, darling buddy, watch a good girl them. You no buy down the whole place already. You not tap buy. I don't think I'm foreign in there. I want to reach back here. Jesus Christ, I foreign so and young people them place, especially all I wanna. Darling, me I tell you. Big up on yourself. Me I run out. Cause I water me I try kill sometime to see if I can get. Me get all of the water still in them, I'm find two other buckle and I say I go full them up.
Oh. Nobody did experience Gilbert, we never born in time.
Me did born, you know, but me did little. But me experience the rest of them.
Yeah, it's 17. The current boy will have after 6 months.
6 months?
The hurricane will go worse.
You feel that this will go worse?
Yeah, because it move slower. It's like you have a
you know,
see a revy and just put the one place on the revy.
And there's a clean out it.
Yeah.
You know, so at that me I tell them, say, I'm afraid of.
But I see all the while you're nice man. Bless you. God guide and keep you and protect you.
That
make everybody feel good.
I make them a see hard.
Especially one in the election regard. I'll show you what I
Straight up. Straight up. Funeral if you go on to, you know. Funeral. Go on. I chew it up. I know say you just ask. Me have to go give it up. A long time. I may give you more than that.
Thanks.
Big up yourself. What, me alright?
Yeah.
That's a cool, but when you don't prepare for this time, eh?
No, you prepare me.
Jesus Christ, me just grease up your mama.
Alright.
No man, don't worry yourself, but hard-working people will help, man. Well, blessed love, big up respect to all my Jamaica Walk By supporters right now. And this is actually Sunday morning, October 26th, and we're expecting Hurricane Melissa. This is actually the community of Clarendon right now. In my time, when we used to live with my grandmother, them always have a saying that the calm before the storm. The place is mad quiet, as you can see in the sky. Partly cloudy, nothing too tough to talk about. Mad silent, no joke, no doubt. Don't know the cock them a crow right now. I tell people to wake up. There is absolutely not even a slight look of rain in the sky. It's not even rain clouds, just normal, regular looking clouds. And we are supposed to be experiencing a hurricane coming in shortly, like a few hours away. And this is what the place looks like. Listen to this silence. Why may I tell you? Jano way, madam. So I am just here on this balcony here looking out. Sorry for the color light, but me have a pink bulb or something like that shining. But me just want the people them be safe. You know what I mean? I think it's going to be crazy. I really think this hurricane is going to be crazy because it's moving so slow. You know what I mean? That's one thing. And if it's moving this slow, you know that if it pack a punch with a lot of water and it comes over the island, it's going to be on the island for a while. So the flooding and thing are gonna be crazy because let me tell you this now. You see which part me live? You have below to go to the Old Harbour side, and you have that direction to go towards Mapen side. And let me tell you this, you have down the road them place that we call Rastakana, always black. If you rainfall for 10 minutes down there, so black because one river run underneath the road and the whole, it's chaotic. If you rainfall for 5 minutes good, down there, so black, impossible. And you also have bogus where black too again. Then now you have a section up the road them side, then now we have like Green Park and them place there run them corner there, always black if it rainfall for 5 minutes. So whatever I do, or no matter when me take it, we live on a little grade, so we live on a like a little hill them side there. You see me I say? So we know so we are gonna trap inside. You understand? So that's why we have to pack up our water, snacks, food. We didn't go for much meat kind of them thing because you know say the fridge situation and current, but thank God we actually have a generator, you know, where we can actually run it on gas and make sure fill it up with gas and all of them things. They probably gonna need some more gas. Who knows, depends on how long light go away. If light go away, if the electricity go away. Water, you don't know, we stock up our water, have a big black tank and that's full. We set up the pipe them for the roof, for run off of the roof inside some drums are run at the back just in case we are gonna go without water for a while. So I think me do my best on preparing that, you know what I mean. We check a lot of stuff when it comes onto the property and to make sure that everything is good. But you can't too over prepare and under prepare. Who knows? It all depends on how bad the hurricane are gonna hit. So we just stay going to hold it out, can't sleep, you know what I mean. So when I know about my foot incident, so me take them a crumble around and it and all one thing. Painkillers in my work magic, which is nice. But when I know me in Jamaica walk by, it's the channel in Jamaica walk by, so I've got to be walking, so I have to make sure so me I walk. Even though pain a lick me more while when me I try to walk on it, you know what I mean. Miss Cadine Sterling, I understand that you say me must rest and take it easy. I'm trying my best, but the people they want to see and know what I go on. So let me show you another look from the upstairs of the house, what the place look like. And we'll call this video the calm before the storm. Alright, let's go. So I am currently making my way on the rooftop because we have a ladder leading to the top of the roof. Oh gosh, my foot a pain me, but yeah, mad, we make it. So yeah, it's kind of dark, but you don't know, make it to the rooftop. Yeah, man. So as you can see, I have a nice black tank right there. So we'll clean off the roof today. Try to get it clean off as possible, that way there's no debris now up here. But yeah, look on the place. Definitely the calm before the storm. Nothing going on, man. Not even a slight glimpse like there is going to be rain. Look at that. So this is what really worries me when it comes on to a hurricane. I remember Ivan, that's how the place was, and we all laugh. With the woman laugh, I say, no rain, no fall. So we not get no hurricane, there wasn't any breeze, no nothing. And the whole of we all laugh, I say, storm now bother come, hurricane now bother come. And bunch of things. And then about an hour, 2 hours after that, the whole place a tear down massive. That is a hurricane I will never forget, because that hurricane blew down the house and bunch of thing, bro. It was crazy. And from them times I say me no want to see one other hurricane again, or nothing like that. But yeah, place very calm, very quiet, no wind, no cloud, no signs of rain, no nothing. And this is in Clarendon, For anybody who want to ask, this is like not like a little bit out of the border of St. Catherine and Clarendon. Yeah, crazy, right? And I believe some places in Jamaica right now are tear down with rain. Almighty. Well, just a little update so I can see what the place actually did look like before the hurricane reached the island. So let's make my way down from these steps. Crumble down, cause you don't know the thing go. A mad thing, man, the place is so calm. Oh yes, so we shall see what this hurricane is going to be like. Am I right? I think it's going to be crazy. So the storm, the calm before the storm. I think this one is going to be wicked. Wanna think? So that moves slow. So we have a few hours to go before it really impact the island. I don't know, but I'm kind of worried about this one, to tell you the truth. And the whole speed of it really is what's worrying me. The speed of it. I think how slow it is going is what really I drive nerve in me when it comes onto the water. When I think about all those persons out there that live in a flood prone areas, or you don't know those many persons who probably never experienced flooding. If it moves slow with a lot of rain, they are going to experience flooding for the first time. So that is going to be crazy. I hope they make all of the preparation as for cleaning the drains them and stuff like that. Oh God, it's gonna be crazy. Little bit of rainfall and half a tree flood out. Little bit of rainfall downtown flood out. Little bit of rainfall, half a tree, crossroad, all of them places there underwater like Spice song. So no, I don't know how this one is going to play out, to tell you the God truth. I don't know how this one will go. But we definitely shall see. Not true? I just think it'll go be dread. It'll go be dread. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to get the update so I can see exactly what going on. As I can see, place calm right now in a Clarendon, Sandy Bay side. No rain, no breeze, absolutely quietness, absolutely nothing going on. Just this. Let me just show you. You understand? So it's not a long video, just a little update as to how the place looked before the hurricane. Let's see what I'm after. Man, I see so much place are blow down with water, you know. I see all the waterfront calm. I see whole heap of place in a Portland a tear down place a rock, and people, some people I see light post tear down. Oh, look at this place. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Quiet, calm, nothing. So we shall see. Big up all my supporters. Them I don't know Miss Cadine Sterling, mad love. Me know you say if you come off of football, you don't know. We are try keeping posted as to what go on. Can't help it. See? Big up to everybody who really support Jamaica Walk By. Me love how now drop the comments in the comment section. Let's reason, you know what I mean? Don't afraid to drop a comment. Don't afraid to just show you what go on and share your thoughts. Me always appreciate that. Remember, you can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times too. And what you guys think? Let's find out. Calm before the storm, Jaja. You home to this a wheeler, you know. Decide for 1 year. Get some in. The calm before the storm, brother. Baseman last night as to what me did I see. It's way different now in the sky. That's for sure. Yeah, Massive. Jaja do. Blessed respect again, Massive. So, you know, earlier on in the morning, which was about 4:30 something, you know what I mean? Now it's actually in the morning. Now it's like a little after 10 in the AM. And remember me showing the sky this morning and what it looked like. Now look at the sky by 10 AM. It's crazy. So looking at the sky. Trouble there. Trouble there. It don't look so good. Yeah, that's sad. So Massive, we just go run on the road. I realize I forget to get a gas. I just get a next extra gas and then get some more water and all of them good things there. But Massive, I'm telling you, this don't look good. This look like Melissa is right outside. Mad. Look like Melissa is right outside and gearing up for wash with Jamaica. So I'm going to try to see if I can give her much update. We just go run up on the road, look a big a few gas station, get a few little essentials on the road and show them the calm before the storm. Yeah, look like even look rain come down now, but oh my word. Oh no! This look away now, man. The sky is saying, oh no, better get ready. Bucky dog. Let me go up on the road there. Jaja. Yeah, so just pull up a Fesco. Get 2 more buckets full, find that cylinder here, get the cylinder here full too as well. One under my arm, then one another on here, and the cylinder for gas up. Alright, let's go. Morning. Left the key. Left the key. Let's get them ready. Back at it again. Let's go. This is a Fesco, you know what I mean? Still open. Now I like probably about 11 o'clock or after 11. Man, you not talk about football and you talk about football and never busy with your safety. I say you love it. Wow, one big boy. Yeah, good. There, man. There's a safety first and then the football. But you're not left out the football. Yeah, they have gas?
Cooking gas, rotted, that done.
Rotted.
On Friday when they're there, I chuck unload it.
Unload it and it done already?
None left.
A joke this?
None
Alright, so I go put this back, I go get some water. Water not done though. I have an extra gas still in, but me have the one and I say no, I full of one or two.
Yeah, I tell the boss to call and say them.
Alright, man. Big boy. So, as bro G say, gas done, so let me put back up on here. Put back up on here. Yeah, man, say Friday, the thing reach. And everything sell off, everybody tap up, you see me? And put back this now go work out. Alright, you can go back over there, so. One dirty still, you don't know a thing go. Alright, get some more water and thing.
everybody I try to get prepare and thing. And I move fast, cause place not look good again, you know, cause I tell you. Remember this morning as me telling us the place silent. Well, I be a breeze, you know. Place black. Give thanks to Fesco. Fesco still around. And I go on actually the ATM they have money. Majority of the ATM. Hey!
I don't
You
think
see
they
that
have
go and
no
stack
water,
up
you know.
every little small, see?
I don't think they have no water, but they can try.
It water can't done. Oh gosh. Boy, from me see you give me that look there now. It look like it done. Jesus Christ. You done it? I get enough still now, but I just try to find every kind of extra buckle. What I can find. Alright. That's that for that. Hey my friend, you sell tie strap? You can get, oh you sell it? Jesus Christ, I've got to go for smaller change. How much for like 12 of them? Yeah, give me the bigger size. Oh, yeah, anything left you can cut. I've got to go for smaller change. Oh, you sell it? How much for like 12 of them?
About $35 for one of this?
Oh, I saw the pricey. Alright then, give me 6 of them. May I go for the money? Alright, yeah. I saw tie strap there. No, that $35 for one tie strap. And my neighbor asked me for tie straps still. My teacher. And my neighbor asked me for tie strap, you know. And I say, let me see. And I said, I get 12, but a $35 for it. That's a tie strap there. Remember me I buy tie strap at $10 and $15 and $20 for tie strap. Tie strap reach $35, you know. So I'm going to go somewhere to go get water. Probably I'll run a Longville or so. And see if I can just full up them 2 buckles. You see me? Why? So no gas, no water, a Fesco. Usually I have the saving grace, everything, but let me get them. There's a changer, so what's that on change in here? How much is can buy? That I buy. Yeah man, you can see rain a Julia now still. He's off. But yeah, one thing with the Fesco, you know, the ATM man, then I ram for load the car every minute it done and they load again. Then I could have get some change last night. So no water. We think we get everything. Greetings again. I usually get the tie strap.
How much of them, Wally?
Yeah.
6 which one? Clear? A 60.
$6 one. For one. What about the size? Give me two. Give me 2 of the tall one, and I want some of the smaller size.
I pay for 2 towel 120.
Walk it, dog. Where's your go feet? Oh. That's one more, my friend. Greetings, blessed.
6
cylinder.
The tie strap.
You don't have to check in this stand. No, no clear.
The tie strap, give me 2 of the tall one, and yeah, cause a $60 one. Me no bother want to so much of that. And my neighbor me I try to get them for. So give me cash 2 of the tall one, which is if you cash them, and then go for the smaller side. Yeah. And give me,
How much are these for?
yeah, can you give me 4 of that?
Oh, this not cash yet?
No. Alright, so I go cash them, man. Thanks, here. Yes, I make it a go and roll. Manners. You can see which one of them. Oh, shoot. You have one basket. Yeah, no, you don't take out. That's where we go and kick it as well. She not cash. She not do the cashing. Cause over them I buy them. Man. Usually then cash over there.
Anybody that experienced Gilbert, remember Mountain Time?
Me did born, you know, but me did little. But me experience the rest of them.
Yeah, it's 17. Currently, we are all about 6 months.
6 months.
The hurricane are the worst.
You feel say this are going
Yeah, because it move slower. It's like you have a wheel
You know,
rocker,
you know,
and
see,
you are revy and just put the
one
place
place
under revy.
and there's a clean out it.
Yeah.
You know, say at that me I tell them say
it have a
I'm afraid that the way how it a move slow and I like them other hurricane they were all Ivan that goes so boom.
And that's my problem really, you know, is how fast we can rebuild it. That's my problem.
Yeah, but me I wonder if it a category much they say they know.
5.
Jesus
But how
Christ.
fast we
You
can
reach 5?
Yes.
Jesus
reach 5.
Christ.
We can reach 5. It's supposed to reach 5 already.
You see other places them where it deal with?
No, but me have
Are the
experience.
water the problem?
No man, the problem is gonna be how fast we can rebuild after we get the contact with it.
Jesus.
Because we're gonna lose electricity for a while. And we're gonna lose a lot of other little things.
Boy,
And as it relates to even fuel, you might find fuel will start run out.
yeah, but with Gilbert, you think so Jamaica did like how now everybody more caution and thing. You think we are preparing more now than them time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because in time they say I going around things and say I go in the street, don't
Yeah, I was actually watching a video about that the other day.
I tell the people them,
Say-
but you have some man who say
Not now come.
Not come.
But you know we still find a few persons who actually a joke out this thing.
People still do it.
And it's like when I remember say even run a Rasta corner that the rain fall for 2 minutes, you all around the block.
And every rain gonna be problem, you know. A tear place I go tear down.
Jesus Christ. So
And
I think of water then say more.
Like you power wash your vehicle.
Jesus.
Now when I read something,
Which we can get we are gonna get this a full cause none of there say no. No. They're not the water.
That's 17 when Gilbert come on.
Oh, yeah,
man
big
up in my
man,
house and watch Gilbert. And the rain.
Say how much I know.
I'm 53, I go 54.
You know, really.
37 years ago.
And you're 17, so you're a big man, you're fully aware, you fully understand everything when they go on.
You know, put on my clothes to go to school today. My mother say, yo, you can't go to school.
Oh, you didn't take it serious either then.
We play all football. All football we play there.
Gilmer did look a day or night?
A day.
Oh, a day.
The land fall about 2 o'clock.
Oh, right now peak idea then.
Yeah, man. About 2 o'clock. Because I'm going to an evening trip for whatever.
Charge I
And
know.
my clothes, you know, I got whatever I did there. My mother say, you can't go. I just start whatever because I did in September.
But you see how long this time just the right away do a step and now reach. Can you imagine when they reach over land, man?
Because that drug, it not run fast. It can spin fast one place. Like when you spin one gig.
Jesus Christ.
Or you hold a wheel back at one place
And there's a clean out there, so.
That's why it's
Well, me give thanks and me live for one hill, but Jesus, me say, what about the people them on the flat?
It's an amount of money you have. And amount of resources you can buy. The stress that come at you.
Because
Just
from
to
the
see-
road, you,
Just to see place name long after, it will go stress.
it a go stress.
Because when you have your good car, the money in your pocket,
And you can't do
food in your
nothing with
house,
it.
And you can't do nothing much.
Yeah, no, make no sense. A facts that.
That's I eat me out right.
A facts that.
You have a bag of money and 2 good vehicles.
And can't do nothing.
Can't do nothing.
Stuck in your house, no light, probably no water.
Yeah.
Well, I know a good thing is that now we have the big black tank number we can use to utilize.
But brother, let me tell you, it's not pretty, you know.
And then how long everything, how badly the place mash up, is how long we are going
I tell you how it
to
is
utilize.
now. If just say you put things in place, have a generator run current at your place, and things your neighbor didn't have none. You don't feel good.
You don't feel good.
No.
And then how much you can give them?
Very
Because when you
little.
go give them where you will have it 201 cut shorter.
Yeah. So I just all of this. That's just what everybody can do makes sense. It's not what one man can do.
That's good.
What everybody can do.
I don't know how we are going to do this. I go through Ivan they wicked for me. Ivan they actually deal with wicked, but
How much that come to?
we never I never know say you could fry up a chicken and put them down. We have to fry up chicken and put them down and I eat them for days.
The last hurricane come to lose some whole for food now, my friend.
That's good.
And right now, I don't have no chicken now, my friend. I'm glad. I'm glad because
Yeah, so we did do it. We know about that. This a time we know about that do it either.
it doesn't make sense.
And so we just get more tin food. Yeah.
Yeah, and just go easy with some lighters.
I remember me cash them already. I just these one to cash it out. Yeah. A smaller one. Yikes.
120.
I'm here. Well, a good reason, you know. Blessings and respect, man. Take it easy, man. Guidance and protection here in the family. Man. What a good vibe. Good looking reasoning that. You see me? Yeah. Soldier. You know, you ready? You ready? Cause let me go forward and get some more gas. Yeah, what if that was a good reason, man? Is it? So, let's see if I can get some. Bong bang. My boss. So what am I say? Jeez and peace. Because people they want gas, you know. So what about the water?
Water in there generate me.
Oh,
Don't go if you go by the time you come back it and sell.
but how long that?
Don't go, just not go. 45 to an hour tax.
Jaja. Mighty God. Oh, you move up. Yes, it showed me so all over as I can see me in the street like a white line. Was it actually you?
Yes.
What your name of the business again? I'm sure me lose the Instagram page. I had to start over.
Racing Empire, JA.
Touch it, man. Big up and respect. You know, still have a WhatsApp, man. They can link me, man. But you're still in a world about here, so everything good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but me see that one. This is one of them.
The app one.
Yeah. Mad thing. That's a cool. Who said that? Hey, darling buddy. Watch a good girl, them. Yeah, this is nice. What the business name again? Tell me again.
Racing Empire _.
That's a code. Me got it. Big up and respect. Take it easy and make sure. So me show them. Me say, tell us a free promotion. Me do anytime I have nobody feel like I bother me. Just send me thing them. All right, that is it. Away one Karen then gone. How my sister them there? How they gone? Yeah, you no buy down the whole place already. You not tap buy. I don't think I'm foreign there. I want to reach back here.
Same after my so me say backside door. Me not to go buy a car and afraid to look.
Jesus Christ. I foreign me so and yam the people them place, especially all I wanna. Eh? Yeah, there's a heat and there's a drink so. Me rotted. What more preparation we can do, eh? Jesus Christ. No, so I mean, I worry about that. I put a concrete, I put by my.
If I'm here on the concrete, I'm going to spread it, you know. Fight concrete.
A concrete, I put on the wall of that. Mad, me tell myself, right now, I never have me catch water. So when we full up, we have connect my pipe them to some jump, and then there's a full.
Of course.
Hey, emotion grow, emotion look like you. Jesus, you can't tell people say that.
Everybody says, sister.
Because must say, then, if I hear that, I will not get her. And then I realize I'm big one.
The eyes are saying, you're sister.
Yeah, where the business page name again?
Luxury sessions.
Say it again?
Luxury sessions.
Me can't ever remember the last part. Sachets, or what? Combinations or something.
Bag name sachets.
So just you call it luxury sachets?
Yes, but bag name sachets.
But
You take a bag in there, the cap on it and
Hey, but look how much bag you sell. You sell every kind of bag.
every kind of bag. 5.3 Martha.
That I go on still. Me like the vibe. And the business up and thing ready for December.
Yeah, you know, so me send it come, but me not think I'll get there this week again. Yes, man.
Me have to go jump on your page back because me lose my other Jamaica walk by page, a different page me have now.
I think I'll take me this to sitting like that.
Yeah.
Why?
Boy, I mean, I know them just report the page, report it. So tell Instagram, hold on, Pani, and say them I go have it for the review and it can take up to 6 months to 1 year.
Wow.
So me end up have to start back something else. Luxury sachets. The last part me always can remember. Dale, me I tell you. Big up on yourself. Me I run out. I water me I try kill sometime to see if me can get. Me get all the water still in them. I'm find 2 other buckle me say me I go full them up. But them water them done from here so. So me just tell myself say me I try get it. But him say them done a water a build up for sell. So I wait me there I try wait till out them. No make sense but go. But me make a reason with a general a while ago and say, yo, no matter how much money you see nobody having a pretty vehicle in your house, your big house and everything, and can't left no current, no water, a problem for everybody.
Especially water.
So nobody.
That should be current to me like the water.
So nobody not safe. And then him just said to me, say, to him that's time me I go better than Gilbert. It a move too slow. You can imagine that. Earth Zoom. Me no know that there. Now teach me something else.
This is what we did and to show you zoom out exactly.
Jesus Christ, no. So
I forget the app there.
So it zoom. So but the thing bigger than the whole of Jamaica.
We are watching.
A man just tell me say, yeah.
Okay, so we're lucky.
And that we lucky, but the whole of foot no good. As rainfall for 5 minutes, Rasta can on a block, and then up.
There are food in there. Thank you at least 5 days when they say.
Me get rid of heap and meat them, you know. A bathing food me stock up on this time.
No thing food coming to food, you know.
Jesus Christ. Sorry for you, I don't know where I'm going to. I'll be a cassava and dump. Watch out, what like grog fish and then God. Lord Jesus. Yes, sir. Why carried with them? How you going to do this? Look at the shelf there. Bomb and a gas station. Me highly doubt it. Look on the gas station shelf them. And a gas station this here. And watch the shelf them. Huh? All of you see, people not really fool on them again like that. People not busy about them drink and sit like one time. But see, bread, if not bread then a sign. See what they take out there, all like snacks them. Snacks them, bread. Why me not tell a lie? I ban me have to ban all everybody out there. In a few hours I ban everybody and say, yo, listen, leave the snacks them alone. All myself me have to ban. Because I sit on my computer and I just yam. Yeah, man. What boy body I'll deal with? I go call him and out, you know. Yeah, man. You better go worry about it. That me know when you know me coming for buy gas and then on the gas either. I find another pan. Cause me have one extra one still, but I find another pan and say I want fully. And then I have none. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. I will make sure that I keep it posted, you know. Because I go post some little, I try to post some little pre-hurricane tips and bunch of sitting. And I take it easy and sit and thing. Big up on yourself. Become more. The current. Big boy. Manners. Yeah, that me just see that go ask you, tell him if ask him and see how far. I just want a back clean. What you say? Me gone. Yeah. And so far, is there farther than that? Is there farther than that? Never go run out. Yeah, big up our respect. Yeah, I say I can get a little somewhere else. Yeah, man, I catch 1 and 2 things. Yeah. A mad thing. Alright, massive, that's too long. So we are gonna see if we can get to somewhere else. Cause rain forward and I go and trickle. Yeah. Let's go. That's tell us we are killing man. Wait, in there, wait.
A long time no see you from fire CD them behind there.
Mr. Water I catch, I'll go water back and catch over the stuff too now.
Over the full and the machine now work good.
Now work good.
The machine now work. We don't know if out of gutters that work. From man, we don't know.
Yeah, me have to go round. One thing one round this away.
It dem lock, the whole of me all have a lock. I don't know if gutters open. Are you so alone?
Yes, alone.
You can't leave it pan there and come back. She's one lady in this, you can't leave it and come back.
Joke this.
It's a joke, yes. We don't know if gutters open. If gutters open, it might be.
Fesco one done.
Eh?
Fesco one done.
Oh.
So you prepare for it?
Me prepare
right.
good, man. Me prepare good, man. But I see all the while, you're nice, man. Bless
Listen,
you.
I go and do it.
God guide and keep you and protect you.
That
Make
good.
everybody feel good.
I made them a see yard.
Especially one in the election, we're going to show you what
I thought everybody has to be captured.
Yeah, man, one love about. Live on here, sir.
Have you played a real life? Big wife it up.
Wife is the woman.
She the woman.
You remember this?
Yeah, man, remember this. Yeah, man.
Glad to see you, sir.
It's a vibe and thing. But you stay safe in there.
Yes.
Big
pan, big domino.
Eh?
They got a big pan
wide. But when people say that the hurricane are go worse than Gilbert.
Yes, me know. We just watched it a while ago.
You know how much?
Yes. We just watched it a while ago. Them say they predict it.
Rain, the hurricane move slow. And that's a problem.
You remember when?
No, you don't remember when. You know me when we come back.
Yeah, we know you when you come back.
No remember when. Nobody.
Fire sea. Fire sea upon fire sea. Every day. Same out of Jamaica. And I call the Fui.
Uncle Rod,
no problem.
are you that you know? See how big up yourself, man. You remember me? This and you're good. Yeah, man, a long time I don't see that thing. I don't remember him, but remind me, no? He look familiar.
We are with Oni and Milo.
Good God.
We live in a Burke Road. A long time I move, man. A good boy, man.
You know, see a choke our music come here, calling Papa them and Kino them. We always see for real, you know. Papa them not there still.
One love.
Yeah. But you're nice. Go and do it, man. We're there, go and prepare and get the thing right. Not show the people them are going out of street. Father Wayne.
Thank you.
Artist. That's who I go on here, bro. Around there? Around there? Oh, yes, see that. You can see it. I mean, I want to black. No, if you go more of it, eh? So, what I say? Third man, that's me I say. Left it back. No, me not pass you. Can't do that. You're my general.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, when you don't see me, I see you. Me don't want you to say you don't see me.
No, brother.
Me don't see you.
Yes.
Uncle Rod, take it easy.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
For real, man.
It's a vibe, man, and the energy out here. We are going to see what we are going.
Yes, man.
Me I go try to get the back there for. Where's the way? Better me left it down.
Left it back over there.
Yo, wait.
Left it.
That me I go do. Me I look over there still. You hear that? Ah, man. Right in the toe. Crazy, one party on a Rockstone, can't watch this. Boy, me I tell you, say, one bunch of rushing and be things. You know, look like me go get this one done. Sorry. No, how much? I want how much buckle you be? No man, that not gonna work. That's a name. Tomorrow, Hurricane I go catch one. And you know, I'm gonna get that one yet. Come through, my friend. Make a go around this, my friend. Hurricane I go come and we not get that water here. How for buckle them on there? I don't want to step over. Oh my word. How would this? Straight up.
Yeah, I said Marina. I'm pretty sure I'm going to Marina for the
Nah, white.
I wanted to hear big band, man.
Yeah, straight up. I prepare for you start hurricane already.
Yeah, man, prepare a long time.
Long time.
Yeah, me and my food stuff, man.
Everything.
Yeah,
Straight up.
Yeah.
That's a cool right there, man.
Yeah.
This now go work. So you better me make a run out and just call it a day. Come here, water yard.
Nah.
Yeah, now go work. Yeah. Water yard. Alright, take care of yourself and big up yourself. You done? Straight up. You know what I said? Straight up. Straight up. Big up my boss outside. Yeah, me teacher, I can't go wait for the water because hurricane I go run and we don't get it yet. Yeah. Come on, man. Yes, boy, I go on top of. No, it's not going to work. So, it's not going to work. We can't wait for this. Hurricane I go drop and we don't get the water yet.
You can't go, sir. Right, sir.
Which one? That one, the Longville one up in.
See move now, man. See move here. See move here, sir.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Run the first section.
Eh?
Right, man. Right, sir.
Alright, make we go there. Eh? Alright, come in. We can just drive, go there still. Alright, you know, me and you can walk. I will just put you over my shoulder. That's all. I don't get it. I blue van, I get it for your water full. Oh. Alright, make we go and walk. Since you're there, I see what I go. So wait, you prepare for your start, mate?
Yeah.
You behave yourself now? That's what you mean? Alright then. If you say so. So. Well, at least you know that you can get all that. It's sitting them. Yeah. You remember Papa? Oh, yes, I see him there. Yeah, in touch back out. In case, yeah.
Yeah, man. That's and grandmother.
Ah.
2 grandmother.
That's cool. That's all right. That's our brother-in-law plaza. Oh. Hey, man. Big up it up. Yeah. But now if you go pay me, I'm a promote the thing, you know. Yeah. Alright, so massive. Let me show you that for life because the city we can get water here so and thing. No joke. Say, when you don't have to worry and say water is here and get it full right away. When I have to go give my thing, you know, because I vlog to you know, and I show people them exactly when I go get my water and I see. People are worried about water. Me never know say water they are saying to me, G. And I even know I show me say we can come and get it full same time. You know what people they done there so?
Even every little thing, anything.
Yeah, me do a video when up here over here just open, but yours never open yet.
Oh, really full water.
Yeah. So me have to go down there so now go tell the people then say they need to come right up and so.
Yeah.
Cause people have long line down there saying brother.
I want a cheaper down there, so 6 minutes to them food.
Jeez and peace. Come.
So what a cheaper down there, so
Me no matter man, I water me want.
you want one, you pay money.
Yeah.
I want to budget, okay, bro.
Yeah man, run.
You still don't know what to say.
Yeah man, me I go down and go tell them man, they want water so they must get water.
Yeah, man. You can't be back this man, and they come see you.
Yeah man, big up all the boss, big him up for me to car, you know say. The day when I do vlog him in there too. We're going to the club and go on a back foot. You have changed? Because I not no smaller thing. Yeah. So right around us so nice from food, you can get food, lunch, you can dine upstairs too as well. You know what I mean? One nice dining area upstairs. Party keep running at night time the place is super beautiful. No joke, no doubt. Brother-in-law plaza, right around at the back. You can't miss it. You understand? So no joke, look at the place, it's beautiful. You have to come and check out this place here. No joke, no doubt. Who never know about it when it comes down to Old Harbour Town? Yeah. Now you know. So get your free, your refill water, you get your good lunch, and you can dine upstairs too as well, like a nice club area and thing. Why? You have to go drink a juice today, man. Yes, man. Let me see what I got here. Push this in your pocket and thing. Not true? Alright. Alright, so quick and fast. I'm not even say you just start run, sir. I'm move so fast now. Alright. As a matter of fact, see the next one up on here. Big up yourself, man. We just carry them and go to the van. And we're good. Yeah man, me get my water there man now boy. We go Fesco water done. Come. It's a water are nice. Yeah. I'm gonna save a writer so we have to come get the whole of water them from time to time man. Alright, here's the whole one. And the one am I, you give one next time, I put it on my shoulder. Get a look from me about that wet up. You don't know. Oh, big up yourself, my teacher. Yeah, alright, show him full up. Right on the shoulder. How we this? Yeah. Alright, massive. But I need some. If I watch your step or something, because I eat some painkiller and my toe not good, you know. And I there going like I can walk strong and bunch of same thing. Well, I have to change this. I leak now dash your water. No man, I'll buy top. I chew full up. Which is right. Watch me. A happy night people in the street. But yeah, this is the calm before the storm. This is Old Harbour town. And things rain kind of cool off, you know. So we are going through. Why my teacher up on the work? Did I get me sort out your yard yet? Blow, God bless you then, no man. I don't know how I could have work right and no one knows it. My family there yard and we have to go prepare for this storm. Rough it up. Whole of we have to try to figure it out. I watch you out the same way. But you know say me a fool, no you Charlie but all right, that's where I go. Right eye blue van. Respect it. I just have to come to me though. But me take it from you and push it. I give all a 6 cent speed. Big up and respect here my boss. Oh Joe. Every time my boss. Yeah, see we are. Watch your head, my teacher. Yeah man, put it right there, so. Yeah, grandma. Come through. Thanks, yeah? Big up yourself. Yeah, massive. In our street. Oh, twin! Twin. Oh, yeah. Manners. Yeah. All over town. Jamaica hot by you now. You're good. Big up yourself. Since you're still young, why we not going to prepare for hurricane? You're out there, always say for your walk. And that's it easy, man. You look full. We do a vibe. I show you that. You're going to go see what go around. Yeah. Funeral have to go on, you know. Funeral have to go on, see, you know. What go on? I chew it up. I know say you just ask. Me have to go give it up. A long time. I may give you more than that.
Thanks.
Big up yourself. What, me alright?
Yeah.
That's a cool, but when you don't prepare for this time yet?
No, you prepare me.
Jesus Christ, me just grease up your mama.
Alright. No man, don't worry yourself, man. Hard working people will help, man.
You know you want to live, you can't just live so. Okay. Alright. Alright, so far, place them open up and thing. And people are going, they come before the storm. Alright, we'll get back here. I give you a thing still, you know, because God knows. The heart now make me pass, you know. But you always just want to live so.
Yeah.
You don't want to do nothing. At the same time, you know, if you follow him, you don't want to help him, you don't want to just want to beg every day. I mean, I really like that. Kind of strong. You see me, I say? Oh, yeah. Hold Harbour Town. No joke. There's a show me calm before it storm. France! Fucking dog, I'm in here.
Yeah, look, Bambi.
Me popular them now work here, yo. France, me no fi pass here, all the shadow me fi see here. Big up yourself and respect. So you need me, G? Because me I say me I have a link, man. I said you go call it. How dumb so stay? You know they will charge no water there. Boy, here and there. Jesus Christ. Yo, people are saying that one here go rougher than Gilbert, you know. That don't look good. Yeah, but now my problem is our store to move because guess what me know? No matter what we have in our life, you know, if run we not good enough, we not good enough. You can imagine say you have a nice pretty house with some Bentley and Beamer.
So you work today?
Me always at work.
You don't know what I mean, like you're good at day.
Yeah, me always at work.
Okay.
Me at work now. Me at work now. No, me not go down up here. Me not go down there. You know why me not go down there? Cameron family down there. I capture and show them what I go on. So me just make them go and show what I go on down there. So anything clean and pretty and nice down the same way. So like I down there, so now me just walk around and see what I go on. Camera them got it down there covered. Cause them me I watch and see what I go on down there. See wicked.
Yeah, man. Far you're there and you can hear see from far.
Ball out.
Ball out.
No sir.
Remember say you hear things different, you know?
A true man. I might go see what I go and go get, probably go give him a link. See how him a go on down there.
Oh.
Cameron them man.
Visit him. What is your brother?
Let me say, I saw me say, but you see them down a control it.
Remember say Europe, you don't watch what him watching.
That's a true too. A fact say I make.
No time.
And you not see him.
I give me watch all through my time.
Well, you're right.
And sharing them 1,000 million group.
You're right.
Share them group.
Try to make it. What would stop?
Walk by. Fragrance. Then the friend say sing at that.
You can't out here wait for me. Forget it from. I people they send you. Call your father.
No,
They tell your father to
Oh, yeah.
1, 2,
hey, you know, ram for you in a car. Yes, a man.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Me tell about groups all over the world. Me share your thing.
Active.
Nah, man.
Respect a man.
Tell you, brother. When you drop in a thing,
You just show you out.
So should be take a minute or two.
Massive a great France, you know, great France. No joke. Big bad producer. You don't know.
You don't have to add nothing to it. Your friend just make it good like that.
Yeah. And them man a suit with that man a be a gear, you forget it. And them man a suit we sit down at daytime and learn for vice.
Yes.
Sometimes you left a studio give it. And say go and do nothing. That's how you think Richie Luke learn and all of them man. Yeah man. You know when we work with, bro, when we work with. Yeah, I said, alright, they don't see a word dead, man.
I see him, so I left the computer, left a student live with a man right there, and he destroy everything. I mean, not equipment, you know, the character, the characters, and the female character.
Oh, shoot.
And shoot them, shoot up the whole place, and I'm disappointed.
Yeah,
I never
know.
want that. I work for disrespect song, make song and a disrespect.
And then they come out of this so.
So you know that somebody they get mad.
Mad.
And start saying, my student do so and me have something to do with it. You understand? So it get personal.
Jesus Christ. And this shouldn't be.
That's a journal. You might lose him head look like that. So
Me not see him from window. For real?
No, brain tumor, that brain.
Me and you go talk, me go call you.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, man. And that me I say, me I go call you. Look for me call you,
Yeah,
and me and you all a reason, see?
man. Yeah,
But I run good on the ground. Me a call you. By me reaching, me call you.
Some of them girls can't see.
Now say, look come on. So yes, massive, older baton, I kind of walk and I limb still, pain. Like me I took me toe. But we are sure about and go back in on the ground. What a vibe, what a energy. Good look of reasoning and them things down in the town. You don't know, a mad thing. Boy, France has shown me something, I have to link him off the year because I'm a big bad producer and I have crazy respect for him. You see me? Eh? Oh, your son? Let me never answer unless you ask him to do it. Your son? Yeah, well, me know him a trim. That's how we never know.
So you know in barbershop?
No, me don't know barbershop.
Bank where we can wash them.
No, me never know so I don't the same day.
Yeah, man. And then one day a mineralizer in front of
Go on.
Side of one doctor.
Man, you don't know.
You know old mineralize?
No.
Old part, not the new part of the look.
Oh, yeah.
Old part.
Yeah. Cheers, wicked man. After I stand, we are good on, they go show people them say still standing. Let me say Kasha.
You rasta love when you come give my head, you know.
Ras.
You want to see my smile?
In love with man, because we have all a good look at energy, you know what I mean? And it's good for you know say you build something and people love it. Yeah, so kind of like as an artist, I build a song and people love it. And I hit them a play, you know what I mean? Yeah. But when I not say to them, I run go in, help out moms down here a little bit. And you know, so I mash up my foot, so it kind of pain me and also I come off it. Like it kind of swell up and thing. Bad boy. Yeah, link up. See you later.
Last time I did mash up my foot down a thing there. Down a thing, sunfest.
Yeah, but no, this one no, lick up this foot and chop it out. So I don't know, get our stitches in night and see the 5 stitches in night too. Me I tell you man, I pay me run come off fight now, because I don't want to hear pain in the video, you don't know. Big up the teacher, we are run out, see? Man. You know, I told her start paying me in my blouse and skirt, so I run out. A mad thing.